over, and while I quickly...
You crazy mother... Yeah.
It's just BurnEye!
Hey, BurnEye, just like last week, huh?
Weekend at Bernie's.
Shout out to Sarah Esra, aka Mindful Exposures, the lovely lady who just left, made that little short clip that was playing there. And she also helped me make this logo and this logo. Although this one was all me, and that is my clothing line, Burncron Exports. And we have this guy behind us, one of the main Medicine Hat Badland Guardians that I will finally be at July 15th. We will be there right middle of July on the 15th, 2 days before my birthday. We're also going to try to get this place here close by, only 15 or 20 kilometers away from that spot, being Orion, Alberta, as well as the Red Rock Coulee location that was shared with us earlier today by Wandering Wolf Mike. And shout out to Mike, Wandering Wolf channel, one more time, as I've emailed him, and we were talking earlier today. We're going to have Mike on for at least one stream interview, if not two, and that he was in Red Rock Coulee in Medicine Hat, Alberta, where he got that footage about a month ago when he was at this site, the Mystery Rocks of Saskatchewan. And I'm not sure if this is actually in Saskatchewan itself or if it's actually in Alberta. I will ask Mike when I talk to him in the live, but here's another one of his videos, and that I will be trying to visit this site as well before the summer's done, if it's in close enough. And posting the link to the Mystery Rocks, Saskatchewan Mystery Rocks, Wandering Wolf's video right now in the live chat. So right now I am playing a Mike from Wandering Wolf YouTube channel, his on-ground exploration of what he calls, or what's known as, the Saskatchewan Mystery Rocks, although I'm not entirely sure if they're in Saskatchewan or in Alberta on the border, and that they seem like a megalithic rock site, 100% either way in Western Canada here, whether it's in Alberta or Saskatchewan, foothills, either way. I see lots of sites like this all around southern Alberta that I've started taking pictures of that I'm going to be going boots on the ground exploring this week, starting with this site. And if this site is close enough and I'm able to finance it enough, get enough donations to afford the gas and extra night hotel and travel and whatnot, we'll try to also get this site as well as the Orion and Red Coolies, as well as Writing on Stone Rock National Park as well. Everything helps, and July 15th, I will be at this site right here, which is very similar and somewhat close to this site, maximum within 200 or 300 kilometers of this site. And look at all of these straight up in alignment. No doubt, no denying that these are in straight alignment, that they're of intelligent arrangement and design. It could be a potential rock wall, right? Like this area needs LiDAR 100%, no doubt about it. And that these were definitely worked on, shaped, hewn rocks, most likely geopolymer, but could have been hewn and carved as well. I'm open to either or. Test needs to be done on it. Yes, my Sherry and Eleni, I have, sister. I've experienced both the petrodactyl / giant nighttime thunder frickin' whatever the fuck it was, and also the Sasquatch shriek and them throwing boulders down an embankment on the other side of the valley to where we all were. And those are two separate scripted experiments with me that will stay with me the rest of my life. I'll go more into depth on a special episode dedicated just to it. We're going to do a couple cryptid episodes coming up as well, with some actual cryptid investigator, researcher trackers too. But look at this site. And they're all in straight lines. And this is just on the outside of it. It's just beginning as he gets closer and closer to the ones at the end that, well, you'll see, undeniably worked on, hewn. Oh yeah, they also get the circles. Like, and look at this. What is this? Is something buried beneath this bigger structure here now? Like, those are much larger megalithic blocks. And that this is... The thing is I see so many sites that look like mounds and pyramids and step pyramid mounds that have these sort of configurations of giant, what look like megalithic stones on top of them and around them, that I've started to photograph and that I am going back to starting this week to get drone footage of. It is a lot of work. I have about 24 hours worth of video editing, uploading, preparation of like transferring files, hard drive stuff, and all of that and over my new cell phone from my old cell phone, updating all of the freaking crypto wallets, like from one to the other. So much work to have to be able to then get my drone functional before I leave in 2.5 days time. And it's a lot. It's almost overbearing at times, but not quite. But every dollar to support this work helps and goes towards inspiring more of it. And look at this, and that if I am able to fundraise enough, well, and if this is close enough of a site that I will be able to hopefully go here this week. And if not, I will be going to the site before the summer is done, one way or another. And look at these, the perfect circles carved inside of them. And look at those, like this, it's immaculate. Like this is 100% constructed. It's exactly, this is 100% man-made or previous civilization constructed. No doubt about it. Once again, this is the Wandering Wolf Mike's channel video here that was Mike on site here. I post a link in the live chat. Mike also on his channel did a live stream from walking around describing this site while he was there a month ago on his channel, as well as has a drone footage of this site on his channel, as well as the Red Rock Coulee site that I played at the start of the stream that I will be at this week 100%, and the Sage Wall in Montana. Mike also visited there, just being Wandering Wolf, and he has excellent videos on. Oh, bless your soul. Thank you so much. Did I miss that? Oh, thank you so much, Sasha. Bless your soul. Everything is greatly appreciated, and it all adds up, and it all means the world, and it all helps. And thank you so much for the super sticker, $2 super sticker, Sasha M. It bless you. But, thank you for supporting this work, and thank you everybody that supports this work and helps make it happen. Sorry, I missed a few people that trying to give blue wrenches to right now. Anyone without a blue wrench in the live chat, make sure to comment, and I will make sure to moderate you, as everybody deserves to be a moderator in on my channels. Once again, Sasha, and earlier live or super chat. Thank you so much, Calex, at the start of this stream for the $25, and Sasha M for the 2. Thank you both for helping out, supporting this work. And fascinating how similar this actually feels. Now that he's in this is very, very similar to what they call the Okotoks glacial erratic that I was at the other week, that I did that stream from, and it blocked out the video. I will have to go back there and actually do a recording that isn't a live stream and just straight video recordings to get Look at that. That is 100% megalithic. This is a megalithic site, hands down. And look at how similar that rock is to what those shale be here before the year ends. And look at this. Just paused it here. Look at this potential structure. What is this? Is this mud fossil? Is this giant cyclopean polygonal geopolymer? Is it actual cut and hewn stone? Is it like it's definitely something intelligent and not natural the way they claim it is. That's for sure. It's constructed. My camera stopped working. There we go. Much better. Oh, Susan Jane, bless your soul. Sorry I wasn't keeping my eye out. Thank you so much for supporting this work. And $10 super sticker. Thank you, Susan. Huge support. The three of you, thank you. Thank you all. And it all helps. It all adds up. And it's desperately needed. And you will see more results to come with all the support that comes through. All right, so we have 20 minutes left that we will do here. Right, exactly, 4 a.m. your time, 3:48 your time, all right? It is 1:48 my time, almost 2 a.m. We're 2 hours and 10 minutes in, so I'm going to do 20 more minutes. See, look at that, though. Like, is it a dragon or was it geopolymer constructed? Was it quarried from this top? Many questions. LiDAR would be the first step. I will be coming to this site. Oh, one love, London McLovin, brother. Shout out to London, just waking up. Good morning in England. In London, of course. So London, this is in southwestern Alberta, close to me, and this in the next few days, July 14th and 15th, I will finally be at this site right here. It's showing. Here we go. Finally going to the Medicine Hat Badland Guardians, of which that what I just had on there, the where Wandering Wolf was at what's known as the Mystery Rocks of Saskatchewan, which I believe are either just on the border of Saskatchewan and Alberta provinces in southern Alberta by me. If it's close enough, I will try to go there this week when I go through. and